Okay, so one comments I have seen that like Croma website has like removed the gift card voucher option. So this is only apply coupon one. Okay, so if you click, you are redirected to enter the coupon code. Okay, so if you go and check my email, so I have got the card number. This is gift voucher. Okay, so I have this um, item in my cart. Okay, so I'm if I click here, so here you have to paste that one, and if you click apply, it says this coupon code is not applicable. Okay, so this is a coupon, so it should have, like before it used to have the gift voucher, so either coupon or gift voucher options was there. So I'm going to tell you the trick. Okay, so you just go and download the neo app. So I'll show you from my mobile screen. Okay, open Play Store and search here neo. Okay, this is the uh, app from Croma. Okay, neo Croma. Wait, okay, I have already installed. Actually, I have already installed. Mm, yeah, Tata Neo Shop Travel and Finance. Okay, so if you click here, so this is already uh, uh, like downloaded in my phone. So let me update it. I'll pause this video. So it's installing, then just open it. Okay, so while installing, I'm showing you this one. So I've already uh, like one item is in my Chroma dashboard. Okay, so card. Okay, let me check it's done or not. Okay, it's opening. Okay, this is the Chroma's mm, app. Okay, so if you go there, so first you have to log in. Okay, because already you have the Chroma account. Okay, you log in. If you don't have, just uh, create one uh, create one account, and if you go to cart. Okay, if you go to cart, so you can see my item I have added in my cart. Okay, so this is the one. So click on proceed, then uh, proceed to payment. Now you can see the gift voucher. Okay, gift voucher, gift card and voucher. So if you click here, so select gift card. Okay, so now you have to put the 16 digit gift card number. So I have already received in my email 134 004 5992571, and the pin is 153252. Okay, so if you click on apply, yeah, so net amount is now 00. Okay, so click on pay now. I've got the uh, WhatsApp message from Croma. Okay, so if you go to my order, so you can see the successfully registered, and this is order. Okay, this is order ID, so you can see here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, so you can message me in uh, like comments. Okay, thank you so much.